In this video, I'll show you real and easy fixes that actually work to make your web PC faster. To search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Check my video description for this command. Copy the command. Right click on the PowerShell and select Edit and Paste and press Enter. Select the Uninstall OneDrive option. OneDrive has successfully uninstalled. Once you get this message, select this Disable option in Cortana and select the Disable option in Edge PDF. Select Unpin Tiles from Start menu. Select Disable Telemetry and Task. To get this message, select Remove Bloatware Reg keys. Once the bloatware keys has removed, select Remove all bloatware. And it says Finish all tasks. Once you get this, just close tab here. And now check my video description for this site link. Select the download option and scroll down. Under here, select the latest version, download for Windows. Once download done, click on the setup exe. Select yes. Once the installation done, select clean memory. Check mark this option and select yes. Memory was released with 1.05 GB. And once you done this, just close tab here. Press Windows key and R key together and type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Go to Advanced. Under Performance, select Settings. Set this to Adjust for Best Performance and checkmark this Show Thumbnails instead of icons and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts and select Apply and OK. Go to Search menu and type Core Isolation. Click on Open the Core Isolation settings. Turn off this memory integrity. After turning off, this can speed up your Windows 11. Once you're done, just close tab here. We're going to speed up the Start menu. Go to Search menu and type Registry Editor. Click on Open it. Select Yes. Check my video description for this file path. Now copy and in registry path paste it and press Enter. On right side, you need to find menu show delay. Menu show delay. Just double click. Set this to value to 10 and click on OK. Just close stuff here. For the changes take effect, you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your PC will much faster than before. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.